1xBet account delete. Easily delete 1xBet account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can delete the 1xBet account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now deleting 1xBet account is actually quite simple. Once you go to 1xBet.com, you can tap the menu option from the bottom right of the screen, then just scroll down and here you'll find consultant. So basically we have an assistant that is ready to help us. So all we have to write here is that we just need to tell them to simply delete our account. So just go ahead and then type in something such as delete account, and then they should be able to help you with what is it that you are doing, and it will redirect you to an operator and someone is going to get in touch with you. Just let them know that you would like to delete your account and they will delete the account for you. This way you can go ahead and then basically delete account on 1xBet. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.